Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of Dray TV. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, do all the things you need to do to be a part of my Dray TV family. Well, I thank you for clicking this video because this is the intro to my, our pie making contest. I don't know if it's not a contest, but it's a challenge. And JT, my aunt JT, the original JT, challenged us to make pies, sweet potato pies, because everybody make their pie different. So I will be showing you guys how I make my sweet potato pie with the recipe that my Nana used. So I always use my Nana's recipe every Thanksgiving, and she's gone on to glory, so I always think of her when I make it. But before I make it, yeah, that's how I feel. Before I make it, I want to start this video by saying I am leaving this year different and going into the new year a different person. And you may ask, DeAndre, what the heck are you talking about? Well, you'll see the full look after the fact, but I'm a Sagittarius. I get bored very easily, and I feel like it's time for a change yet again. So yeah, I already started, so now I need to finish what I started. So with that being said, here's Sweet Potato Pie Challenge. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna start the make of JT's Sweet Potato Pie Challenge. So I will be doing my Nana pie. That's what we call it. It's her recipe, my Nana's pie. So this is what you need. Of course, I'm doing this at my mom's house because our stuff is in storage. I would normally use my KitchenAid blender, but I got a hand blender to make sure it's nice and smooth. I got two potatoes, sweet potatoes. Well, these are yams. There's a difference between sweet potatoes and yams. Yams are bigger. So I got two yams that will make two pies. Got some butter. Gotta have butter in the pie. Got some vanilla. Got some white sugar. Got some brown sugar. I normally put dark brown sugar and light brown sugar into the pie, but the market didn't have any dark brown sugar, so I mean you can go without. Just like if you go last minute, but they didn't have any more, so that's fine. Got some nutmeg, cinnamon, carnation milk, sweet condensed milk, and you got pie shells. So first, and a bowl to mix everything in. So first I'm going to wash the sweet potatoes and clean them, make sure they're clean, and boil them. I boil them with the skin on. My Nana always said you boil potatoes, you can boil them or bake them, but you boil the potatoes, do not peel the potatoes because there's nutrients in the skin of the potatoes. You don't want to use that nutrients. No. So I'm gonna boil the potatoes and then I'll be back. I'm gonna clean them and boil them, then we'll be back to make the filling. But make sure you cool off the potatoes before you mix it, okay? So I will be back. Okay, so the potatoes are done. I would say boil them for about an hour to about an hour 20 minutes, give or take, until they are fork tender, until your fork or a knife can go straight through them. Let them completely cool before you peel them. So I'm gonna let them cool. I'm gonna drain the water, let them cool, and then we'll be back to start making the filling. All right, y'all. So I actually am about to take a nap. It is actually Thanksgiving morning. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. While the potatoes were boiling, I did my banana pudding, and I completed my banana pudding. I made 4 pans. So I'm gonna take a quick nap, and while the potatoes are cooling, I'm gonna get up probably like 6 o'clock, and make the filling, put them in the oven, lay back down, and get back up in time for the parade and for the pies to cool off. I can show y'all everything. Ooh, excuse me. I can show y'all everything. So I'll see y'all in a couple of hours. I gotta go to bed. Excuse me. All right, y'all. It's a couple hours later. Somebody then came in. My nephew's here. So say hi, Tristan.
Hi.
So I let the potatoes cool off. So now it's time to peel potatoes, make this filling, put them in the oven. Yeah, let's do this, because I got a barbershop appointment. Alright, so right here I am peeling the sweet potatoes for the yams. And as you can see, my mother's trying to ice this cake. And she forgot she didn't get enough icing. So I'm here laughing and peeling at the same time. Alright, y'all, so I done peeled the potatoes. Next, I am going to blend the potatoes first. And I was always told to blend the potatoes first because you want to get all the stringly things out of the potatoes, so there won't be no those strings in the actual filling. So let's blend the potatoes first.
It's my turn.
See? There's some stringy things in there. You don't want that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to wash this off and keep on blending until it comes clean. I want to show you up close the strings. You see those strings? You don't want that in your eye. Now, alright, you guys. So you put let's get this started. You put about a half a cup of butter in the mix. I wish I was in my old house so I can have my countertop. We're gonna make it work. Mix. I got Tristan here as my helper. Very nice and smooth. braided. All right, so I have it mixed. Now I preheated the oven to 350, so I can let that warm up so my pie shells can start to cook. All right, so next we're going to add some cinnamon.
Get down.
Add some cinnamon. You can always add more if you need it. Some nutmeg. Add some nutmeg. You don't want to do too much because it can be a little strong, but you can always taste it and add more if you need it. And let's mix that up right now. All right, so then I'm gonna add my sugars. You want to add about a cup of sugar. Each sugar, I don't measure. I go with the ancestors say. So I can eyeball it. I can see what it is. If you want, it's a sweet potato pie. You want it sweet, and you can always add more. All right, so then. Alright, I'll come back after I mix this. Alright, so I blended the sugars, and you want a nice caramel complected color. That's how it should look. You don't want nothing. You don't want it too light, and you don't want it too dark. So then, I'll wipe it off. You take your carnation milk. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, so next I'll take my carnation milk and my sweet condensed milk, and I'll pour it in here to give it that smooth texture. See? I eyeball it just about, a cupful, half a cup. You don't need the whole can. But you can always go back and see. Alright, next I'll add my vanilla. And then you mix it up. Alrighty, so this is the consistency that you would want your pie. It's a nice color, nice consistency. So you want to taste it before you put your egg in. Now, depending on how many potatoes you boil or how many pies you're making, goes with the eggs. So I only boil 2 potatoes, so I'm using 1 egg. But like if you're making like 4 or 5 pies, you do no more than 3 eggs. Cause the eggs is a binder that will make it stick, rise, and you'll have a good thick pie. But I'm gonna taste it first before I put the egg in. All right, I got my spoon. Let's taste it. I just want to get a little dab. Let's taste it. Oh my God. That is so good. You don't need nothing else. Tastes like my nana pie. All right, y'all. I'm putting the egg in. Here we go. Crack it. Make sure there's no shell. Alright, y'all. So here are my pies, my nana pies. I am going to once you put them in the pie shell, after the pie crust cool off from coming from the oven, you fill them up and dust it with a little bit of cinnamon, not a lot, just a little bit for garnish. And then you put it back into your 350-degree oven for about an hour 10 minutes. They are going to rise, so you want to put like a tray underneath of them or something. If not, it's fine. They're going to rise and then they're going to set. So I'm about to put them in the oven, and then when next time you'll see them come out the oven. Now as I sit and wait for the pies, I will watch a tradition of my family since I was a kid. I will watch the Macy's Day Thanksgiving Parade. This year I'm not in New York. Alrighty, the pies are out the oven. They are cooling, good color. The crust is a good color. Let them set and cool. Now, this is the big question. I'm gonna come back and ask it again. Put it in the comment section. Do you eat your pies cold, room temperature, or hot? Put it in the comment section and I'll tell you what I like for my pies.
Connoisseur right here.
See what the connoisseur.
Y'all ready?
You know exactly. You know the answer.
Why is you recording her eating?
Okay.
Oh, you're talking about challenge.
This might taste like my grandma's pie.
You gotta get.
And I don't think nobody can say pie like Marguerite.
So what you saying? What you saying? So what you saying, babe? What you saying? Yeah, go ahead. What you saying, babe? What you saying, babe? What you saying? You ain't saying
This on to something. I'm a sweet potato pie connoisseur. Literally, I could tell you if you're missing a nutmeg, if you're missing a cinnamon, if it's too much milk, I could tell you. No,
That's it?
No.
Yeah.
I don't think no one makes better pie. Don't let my aunt hear. I usually I keep trying to taste it.
Because all my plates are right You want to go to the body of water that's
Umbrella is something else. She take the whole plate.
I did the same.
That's just something.
That's what I did.
I did the same.
That's them browns, okay? I know, right? That's them browns. You gotta sell it. You got it, Brenda. You got it.
I did the same. I did the same. Oh, that's that one. That ain't gonna happen. You took too big of a bite, yup. But I did the same, so I can taste it.
It got real big claws. You eat it when you go someplace. I know I like it. Yes.
You're almost there, DeAndre. No, the pie is delicious.
It's good.
It's good.
Thank you. Look at
See, I ate some more. All right.
And Brenda's still eating it. Look, she's still eating it. She done ate the rest of the whole pie.
That was my pie. I just wanted to let you know.
No, it wasn't. She's taking some home.
Yes.
All right, y'all. I got my aunt on here. But, I'm getting off on. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good.
Nicole, Miracle has Majid tired.
Let's try.
You want to get my reaction?
Eat the pie, anime. Eat the pie.
Is it good?
And You know how like you put something in your mouth to taste it, push it in your mouth to taste it.
You know, Nicole, she's a pie connoisseur.
No, I totally am.
It's not bad.
You like it?
You scared me. I thought you did something.
Coolers. Picnic.
I need some. It need to be warm. I like warm.
Thank you,
pies.
thank you.
With some
That was-
eggnog.
And I got some in the house.
A little bit of Hennessy.
Yeah. And, okay. That's my face. That's what we do.
Cold. This is cold.
Yeah, you need warm. You
I like
need warm
desserts. Yeah.
Thank you.
But see, she's not really. I'm a connoisseur because I'll eat it cold, hot,
Whatever.
Mirko, you want some turkey?
It's good, Miracle.
Oh,
She said,
miracle. It was good.
What's up, guys? So, I'm getting used to my hair. Anyway, so I'm gonna close out the vlog here. As you can see, my pie was good. My family loved my pie. It was a good thing, and people was asking me to bring them a piece of pie. But I haven't had any dessert yet tonight, so I'm gonna do it like how I do it. I eat my room temperature or warm pie with my banana pudding. It's dope. Really dope. But thank you, JT, for sponsoring this challenge, this sweet potato pie challenge. It was fun. I did see a lot of other people posting their pies on Facebook and on YouTube. So hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Jesus.